Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Crawley West Sussex. Wanted to show you this lovely room that we've completed around about 3 months ago in our 10-year pack. 3.8 metres wide. We're just working between the fence you see there and the existing shed. You can't get any closer than that. So really perfectly made. I think it's actually 3810 in its width. 3.6 metres deep in the anthracite. UPVC doors giving a really wide opening. So actually this gives you the maximum opening with this size. It's about 1.8 metres in our standard anthracite colour in the MTX cladding to the front, and then the cement wall we've actually done to the three sides. There's that bit you can see, and then around the other two. Guttering, we've dropped down the back and into a drain that we found. And then if I take you inside, all the electrics was completed by us. The customers actually elected to paint and finish that themselves. They've done a cracking job in here actually, so I'll be asking for them to come and help us out when we're busy. A really nice job. V200 inside with that fanlight window just there, and then being used as a lounge, TV room. That's the new heaters we've got in there, TV on the wall, and then also a music room and a bit of gaming for the kids as well. And this is pretty completed with the base. Now if I show you around here, the impressive thing is everything came through the house, so that's an extension. There's the doorway. We took those measurements and we brought the steel and timber frame base in through there, along with all of the panels, checking the heights obviously, and then was able to install this complete building coming through the house. And yeah, very successful project that I really like. Just under that 2.5 metre planning rule you see there, so we've kept everything under for all the rules and the regulations allowed, and it's a great extension to this relatively compact property, and it's allowed them to extend out into the garden and really use the garden as part of the property. With the quality that we're building these to, essentially this is just like an extension to a house. Zero maintenance, 10-year guarantee, 50-year life expectancy. What a great addition to the property. If this kind of garden room is of interest, give me a buzz over on 444 247 192, or keep following us on our social media. Thank you.